This is a DDAmanda video analysis of SPZI, stock symbol SPZI. Now, this company first caught our attention right here when she had a 908 factor. It came up on a scan, and this is a 200-day high on the dollars traded. And the next day she had a 237 factor, but she's already had our attention. Some of our guys got in here, and this thing has just started to, just keeps going up. Look at this. And on Friday she had a 200-day high on the price of 38.0038, and intraday 0039. So you could have found this one easy and done a little bit of investigation on it and bought anywhere in here and be up, over 100% right here. Apparently this company has some kind of a commodity deal, and they just announced that they have a $90 million commodity contract or something. Anyway, she's really popular. On social media right now, she's number 8 most read, and number 37 on the breakout boards. Also, her drag ratio is very favorable at 3.32, which means she's 3 times more likely or easier for her to go up than down. And you'll notice the up drag has been reducing. It was 1124. A drag is a proprietary indicator that indicates resistance to price movement. So back here, 4 days. This is the last 5 days. 4 days ago it was 1100. Then it went down to 115, and on Friday it was only 88. So her resistance to moving is steadily decreasing. In other words, it takes less money to move her. Okay, like 4 days ago it took. That's this number right here. 4 days ago on the 26th, it took $387,000 traded to move her up 3%. And on Friday, it only took $165,000 traded to move her up 19%. So you understand what this drag is. Anyway, we're pretty optimistic on this. The New Year's coming. The January effect is coming. So, we're expecting this one to do very well. Anyway, that's it, and I hope you have have a good weekend for the rest of it, and thank you for watching. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got a, if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.